How we doing, my friends? Florida History Hunter, and got a Luna moth in distress here on the ground. I got it right there. I'll try to get it to the some trees in the shade where it's not going to be eaten by ants or run over by a car. And there we go, people. I don't know if it's going to survive or not. I wish it the best. It's definitely struggling. I found it, originally I found it at the road. So it's upside down. It's flying away, but it's crashing. And I'm not going to be able to help it because I don't know where it went.